In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund an order on Etsy. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to select, and how to avoid common mistakes so your customer gets the right refund and your shop records stay clean. Start by heading to etsy.com and logging into your seller account. From there, open the shop manager. This is your seller dashboard where you'll handle orders, messages, and payouts. If you manage multiple shops or devices, make sure you're in the correct account before moving on. Next, go to Orders and Shipping in the left-hand menu. This is where all recent and past orders live. Find the specific order you want to refund. If you have a busy shop, it helps to scan by the buyer's name, the order number, or the date so you're working on the right one. To access the refund tools, open the order. You can click directly on it to view details or click the three-dot more actions icon next to it. If the order is eligible, you'll see a refund option under More Actions. If you don't see it, double check the order status or your account permissions, click Refund, and you'll be taken to the refund page. Here, select a reason for the refund. Pick the option that best fits the situation. Many sellers coordinate with the buyer first to confirm whether a refund or a cancellation is expected, which helps manage expectations. You can also include an optional message to the buyer to explain what you're issuing and when they can expect it. Decide whether you're issuing a full or partial refund. For a full refund, check the box to refund the entire transaction. For a partial refund, enter the specific amount next to the item. This is helpful for returns without shipping, small adjustments, or a single item in a multi-item order. Review any breakdown of items, shipping, and taxes so your amount matches the agreement with the customer. Take a moment to review everything carefully. Confirm the reason, the amounts, and any notes. When it looks right, click Submit to process the refund. Refunds are typically final and the funds returned to the buyer's original payment method, though processing times can vary. If you also need to cancel the order, remember that refunding and canceling are separate actions on Etsy. Go back to Orders and Shipping, open More Actions, select Cancel, choose a cancellation reason, and review the original order amount, any refunded amounts, and the remaining balance. Confirm to complete the cancellation. Once finished, the refund will process, the order status will update, and the buyer will be notified. That's it. You've successfully refunded and, if needed, canceled an order on Etsy.